To transfer money from CIBC to Cash App, you will need to follow these steps. First, ensure you have a CIBC account and a Cash App account. If you do not have a Cash App account, download the Cash App from the App Store and sign up for an account. Next, link your CIBC account to your Cash App account. To do this, open the Cash App and tap on the Banking tab at the bottom of the screen. Then, tap on Link Bank and select CIBC from the list of available banks. Enter your CIBC online banking credentials to link your account. Once your accounts are linked, you can initiate a transfer. To do this, open the Cash App and tap on the Banking tab. Then, tap on Add Cash and select the amount you want to transfer from your CIBC account. Confirm the transfer details and tap on Add. The transfer may take a few days to complete, depending on the type of transfer you select. You can choose between a standard transfer, which takes 1 to 3 business days, or an instant transfer, which is completed immediately but may incur a fee. It is also important to note that there may be limits on the amount of money you can transfer from your CIBC account to your Cash App account. Check with CIBC and Cash App to determine the transfer limits that apply to your accounts. To ensure a smooth transfer, make sure you have sufficient funds in your CIBC account and that your account information is up to date. You should also be aware of any fees associated with the transfer, such as transfer fees or foreign exchange fees if you are transferring money across borders. By following these steps and being aware of the key concepts and best practices, you can successfully transfer money from your CIBC account to your Cash App account. Remember to always review the transfer details carefully before confirming the transfer to ensure that the transfer is completed correctly and securely.